Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and sign up on Lazada app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Lazada app on your phone. Now from over here, tap on this option of account at the bottom, and you can see we have simply created your account already. We're going to tap on this little icon on top, and we're going to simply log out first. Tap on log out. And again, you're going to find this option of sign up right over here. Tap on sign up, and then you're going to simply choose any of the methods for you to sign up. Tap on Google if you would prefer that, or Facebook, whatever you would like. Tap on continue, choose your account, tap on continue at the bottom, and there we go. You will have some successfully created our account and logged in as well, and that is it. So that's how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on next video.